Hi guys! Time check is 4:15. Today is July 10, 2024. This is our first day in Kuala Lumpur and this is our room. So the color is white. Napaka-white ng aming beddings. Yan. So, katatapos pa lang namin mamasyal sa River of Life sa China hometown. Saka namili kami ng mga ibibigay na pasalubong sa mga special someone. Tapos, babalik kami sa Petronas Twin Tower. So yan, very busy ang dalawa. Maghahakot pa kami ng gamit namin kasi yung check-in namin dito 3 p.m. Pero dumating kami 4 o'clock. Kasi yon ang ano nila, very strict when it comes to time observation. So guys, ang ganda ng, ang linis. Kapag pumasok ka, mapapawaw ka. So let us see, the CR is very clean. Let me see, Tita Yods, the CR. Very clean. Wait. Where's the light? May shower. Asa yung light natin? Celine. Ito. Yan. So, yan ang aming CR. White na white. Meron pa kaming heater. Yan ang shower namin. Iba guys. So, yan ang aming lavatory. Napagod ang Ate Yudes, napagod. We walk how many miles?
Yeah.
Ayan si Celine. Yung aircon, paanda rin. Saka may TV kami. So, tingnan natin ang aming lobby. Okay. So, this is 80 rooms owned by a Chinese millionaire here in Kuala Lumpur. Mapapawaw ka, ang linis. This is 6-7 stories. Yan. Ito kalawak ang aming, yan, dyan, marami pang ano dyan. So, dito. Yung lobby namin pala doon. Ang lawak guys. Tsaka, dito ang aming lobby. Magpapahinga kami. Tsaka, may ano dito. May kitchen. So, yan guys, ang aming lobby. Yan. So, dyan kami. Ito guys. So, maghahakot muna kami ng aming gamit. So, we are on room 611. 611. Oh, 619 pala ang aming room. Ayan. Okay guys, bye. Abangan ang aming susunod na destination sa aming Kuala Lumpur expedition. Bye. Ibis muna kami at magpapahinga ng counting oras.